Hi, welcome back. So the images that you're seeing now are AI generated. You might feel it as a natural or original image at the first glance. Like even I saw many such images in the internet where people are claiming to have selfies with celebrities, like, and they look very natural. All the images that I have seen in the internet with this particular prompt look so natural. See, this is one image and this is another image. Like these look so natural and so close to the reality. And I have created these images using ChatGPT, and you can do it in free version as well. In this video, I will show you how you can create such images using ChatGPT for free. You can create, I mean, you can have a selfie with any celebrity that you wish or anyone who is a known personality, and this is the chat gpt. Like you can use it on fovo as well. Like in free version you will have this option to create images using this. All you have to do is like just have to upload your image, and I will share like what prompt to use for that. So I have uploaded one of my image with white and blue shirt and wearing a cap, and based on my prompt, like I got this image. And later, like, I have uploaded many other images and generated images as well, generated selfie images as well. And these are few, again, like the selfie with Virat Kohli. And if you feel like that is not close, you can upload another image and get another selfie. And I have I mean created some selfies with Dhoni as well. So you can create selfies with whoever you wish. It's so easy to do that. So the prompt that I have used, like I will share it. See, I have mentioned deliberately mediocre feel, as if it was taken absent-mindedly while pulling the phone from a pocket. The main character is uploaded person's facial, and here, like, I asked a selfie with Samantha, so I asked Samantha Ruth Prabhu stands next to him. Me wearing blue and white t-shirt. Like the important thing is you have to mention what outfit that you are wearing in the image that you have uploaded. So I have uploaded an image with white and blue line, so I said blue and white t-shirt, and Samantha wearing casual dress. And I also mentioned it's an imperfect moment. I don't want it to appear as a perfect image. If it appears like a perfect 4K image, then people will easily say it's AI generated. And the background, like, it's your wish. So for first image, I said I want it in a lively night market with neon lights, traffic, and blurry figures. But you can see, like, in the later images, I asked her to have it in a mall. Here, this image, like, it's a mall. So you can I mean define the background as you wish. But this is a prompt that I have used. I will paste this prompt in the description as well. You can check it out. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Like, anyone can generate images using chat gpt. I mean, with this particular prompt, I will paste the prompt in the description. For more such AI related content and AI based tricks, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.